Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to apply video special effects in FlexClip. First, add your video clip to the timeline. Next, open the Effects panel and scroll down to the Motion category. Click See All to browse the full selection. Hover over any effect to preview it. You can also mark an effect as a favorite to quickly find it next time. Click to apply the effect to your video. Play the video to preview the result. You can select another effect at any time to replace the current one. Additionally, you can apply different effects to different scenes. On the timeline, drag the edges to adjust the start time and duration of the effect. To remove an effect, click the delete icon on the top right corner of the canvas. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.